Indian Standard. Next run will be at what? 10:04. Next run would be at what? 10:04. Indian Standard Time. That's it. How we got cron expressions? Here we got their own expressions. You need not to learn it. You can take the reference code and go for it. Okay, now 10:04 na. Before 10:04, I'll do some change and I'll commit the code. Ayyo. I don't think I can commit it. Fine. No, actually done. We lost it. Push. Before 10:04, actually it happened, but I don't think I can show the flow. Yeah. See, job 10:04 automatically done. I have not done run manually. But the job is automatically done. Say refresh. It won't come because build happen bit slowly. But in next build, it will pick up the change or not there. Okay, for next build happened what? 10:07. By that time, what I do is, okay, here also I'll change this one to green color. Save it. But I'll keep the changes ready. Committing is my work. Committing is what? My work. What guys? Change 4. Commit and push. Where is this? Master. Preview. What is there? Go to Jenkins there. Ten seven. It is going to build automatically. That is called periodic. That is called what? Periodic scheduling. Yeah. Automatically executed. Success has come. Say refresh. Hey, yellow color is not working. Here red is working. Find season. Did I mention wrong spell for yellow? Did I mention wrong spell for yellow color? Yellow, right? Na? Then why it is not reflecting, guys? Yes, we changed changes. No, why I should change? Again, check. Okay, after this check. Yeah, maybe start upper side, top side, but somewhere in the middle it is building the things. Green and this yellow in winter season has come or not there. This is periodic build. No, I don't want periodic builds, sir. Why waste of time? Suppose night I don't work, every 3 minutes it's building, waste of resources, na? You may write the expression properly up to this time in this gap all, but still waste, na? Whenever I commit changes, then only it should build. Small or bigger change, whenever I change, it has to commit. Okay, that's called poll SCM. What is there? Poll. There is a webhook API that continuously check code repository. Is there any change? Is there any change? If change is there, it will take the change and it will reflect the change. Yeah, this is for every 3 minutes, guys. Scheduled, guys. Scheduling. Your explanation about end time. Making Jenkins to build job automatically for what? Every code change that happens in the code repository. How to make Jenkins? Polling the repository. Now, is it possible to set up build trigger to get Jenkins to poll the changes in Git repository? You do this one using what? Poll SCM option on the project configuration page of what? Jenkins. Poll SCM. What is there? Poll SCM. Okay, poll SCM. We are asking Jenkins to check the repository whether changes are not there or not there at regular interval. All 6 star means what? Every second it is 6 stars or 5 stars or 5 star. 5 star means every minute is going to check whether changes are there or not there. Only checking, not collecting them. If there, then only it will bring the code. If there, then only it will what? Bring the code. Otherwise, it will not bring the code. If there, then only it will bring the code. Otherwise, it will not bring the code. So this is very important or not there, guys? Okay. Do you really mean every minute when you say this, perhaps this, per hour? Is per hour it has to poll. It is per minute it has to poll. Continuously it has to check. By enabling poll SCM, entering cron expression all stars in schedule text box, we can get Jenkins poll the repository for changes. Polling means checking the repository. For changes every minute, you can enter whatever cron expression you like, but serves as what? Simple example. It serves as what? Simple example. Are you getting my point, my dear? So that is technically called what? Poll SCM. What is there? That is technically, literally called as what? Poll SCM. Tell me. We'll go to Poll SCM, guys. Go for what? Configuration. Same thing. If it is a Spring application or Java application, or really does not matter. For everything, same story continues or not. Where is this? Build periodically. Remove this. Remove this. There is something called poll SCM. How frequently you want to poll? Every minute. Do you really mean every minute when you say? Perhaps you want this one per hour. Okay. Ignore post commit hooks. Fine. That's not an issue. Is there now, guys? Yeah. Now wait for the time to see. Okay. Now I'm not doing any changes in code. That's why no. Okay. Now wait 10:13 to come. Anyhow, I removed that option, but wait for 10:13 to come. It will not build the project. Why it will not build the project, guys? Because we have not checked. Yeah. No, 10:13 has come. Is it doing any auto build? No. That means that is off. Now, when build will happen? And this is going to be interesting. Change and commit. Change and commit, remaining everything happens automatically. Okay, this yellow you are changing to what? Cyan. Some color, guys. Index.jsp you are changing to what? Okay, orange. Save it. If you change, that is not enough. Okay. Change file. Commit and push. Where you want to commit? Master. Push. Yeah. See guys, now it found, yeah. Every second it will pull na. Okay. It take 1-2 seconds time to check whether changes are there or not there. Once it finds there are changes, it should automatically build the project. Already 9 builds we have seen. Wait for the 10th build that going to happen automatically. Oh, it is slow now, we are faster. Did I gone for poll SCM properly, guys? Maybe I have to refresh. No, and I refresh also not coming. So that means poll SCM is not done properly, guys. Poll SCM, I think I have not saved. After poll SCM, did I not save, guys? Yeah, now it's happening or not? Okay, one more try. One more try we'll do. Say refresh. It's changed to some cyan season or not there. One more time you observe. One more time you observe, guys. Find season. Magenta. Some color magenta. If not there, you will get red. You will get black color. Don't worry. What is there? Change file. Whatever it is. Yeah. It taking time, guys, because it's going checking after 1 second, 1 minute, every minute. So in the middle of the minute, it is not doing automatically. It is taking time. This is called what? Poll SCM. SCM means source code management, nothing but Git. It is polling the Git na boss. In the quiet period, expires this. Okay, now check it out. Magenta color is reflecting a nata. Okay, fine. Yeah. That is called what? Magenta color. It's coming, I. Yeah, fine. So this is called poll SCM. What is that concept, guys? Poll SCM. Okay, some FAQs are there. How to reset initial password in what? Jenkins. How to see Jenkins console. Yeah. We'll come to this one, guys. We'll come to this later. But I want to check, are there any other ways of doing this automatic code recognitions? Yes, since some time is there, we'll see FAQs in last 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Right. How to make Jenkins job. Okay. Job triggering. Okay. Job triggering. Job triggering for the changes done to code repository code. For the changes done to code repository code. This pole SCM you already discussed now, guys. Yeah. Second one is what? Enable webhook triggering. What is that? Webhook triggering. We have not done that, right? Yes. Setup in Jenkins. Configure job, build triggers, check GitHub hook trigger forward, Git SCM polling, SCM polling, or generic webhook trigger plugin. What is there, guys? Generic webhook trigger plugin. That's a one more option. Yeah, tell me, what is the process? Install plugin, go to plugins, make sure that GitHub integration plugin is installed. Okay. Configure soap code. We already discussed this. Okay. Yeah. Next one, configure GitHub. Open repository, settings, select webhooks, add webhooks. Okay. Enter Jenkins URL. Okay. What is there? HTTP Jenkins server, GitHub webhook. Application type JSON. Event, push events, pull request event. Click on save. Okay, two. For Jenkins pipeline job, Jenkins pipeline. Okay, already we discussed this. Pipeline, we can leave it. Okay, this is the second work we have got, guys. Yeah, let me try in this model. Let me try. Actually, what happened? Jenkins is pulling for the change, checking for the changes. Instead of that, I want to see what GitHub only pushing the changes. GitHub only taking responsibility and what? Pushing for the changes. Okay. So first of all, I'll go to this. I may get long back I tried, guys, and I'm trying go for one more time. Go to configure, deselect this checkbox, whole SCM also you remove, save. Okay, now it's going again back to manual. Again back to what? Manual. Okay, fine. Let it be. Yeah. Go to this. I want to do this from what? GitHub side. If success comes, I'll give the procedure. Otherwise, fine. We work with the previous one. I just want to give another option, guys. Okay. Be enable webhook triggering. Steps in Jenkins. Configure Jenkins, GitHub triggering. Select what? Git SCM polling. First of all, let me check whether this option is there or not there. Configure. Tell me. What is the option? Source code management. Tell me here, where is this? Is there or not there, guys? Option is there or not there, guys? When Jenkins receive GitHub push hook, Jenkins is not going to check whether you modified or not. GitHub only will push, tell the notification to what? GitHub plugin checks, see whether hook came from GitHub repository which matches with what? Git repository. If they match, the option is enabled. GitHub plugin trigger online polling on JitSCM. When JitSCM polls GitHub, it finds there is a change and initiate what? Build. The last sentence describes the behavior of what? Git plugin. Thus, the Polling and initiating the build is not part of what? GitHub plugin. Is not part of what? GitHub plugin. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, this is the option we have, guys. Okay, we selected that. Okay, next one. Yeah, generic web plugin. Yeah, GitHub setup. GitHub setup. Go to manage plugin, GitHub integration plugin. What is there? GitHub integration plugin. GitHub integration plugin. Go to this. Manage, guys. Here, what is there? Plugins. Okay. Available plugins. GitHub. I think yesterday we installed everything, guys. Everywhere. Installed plugins. GitHub. Yeah, it is installed or not there. Okay, fine. That is also done. That is also done. Okay, next. Already URL is given here. The URL is given here or not there? Are Git URL is given now, boss. Use configure source code in job. Okay, fine. Configure GitHub hookup. Open your repository. Now I have to go to GitHub or not there, guys. Yeah, let me open GitHub. GitHub.com. What is there, guys? GitHub.com. Are you getting my point there, guys? Yes. GitHub.com. Tell me. So in this GitHub.com, so we have to go to our repository. What is our repository, guys? 905 repository, somewhere 905. Yes, we are coming to this 905 repository now, boss. Yeah, there. What is the option we got? Settings, huh? Okay, settings, select webhooks, add webhook, enter URL. This URL you have to add. Come to this. Settings, huh? This is GitHub, guys. There we are looking for set. Yeah, what's happening, guys? Hey, say, here is the settings. Yeah, here is the settings. What is the option I have to choose, guys? Webhooks. Developer settings. No, yeah. Where is webhook options, guys? This one? Yeah, there. Here, not GitHub. project settings. This one? This one? No, that isn't different. Repository, we are 905. Yeah, that's fine. Here settings are where? Yeah, sorry. Right. I thought profiles. In this one, what is the one? Webhooks. Hmm. Webhooks. Add webhook. Password I forgot. Hmm. Forgot password. Fine. Verify. What is there? Use the rotate symbol asset to face the same direction as the asset in the left message. Yeah, same na? Okay, submit. Send send password reset me. Yeah, reset your password, return to sign in. Okay, na? Fine. Okay, that's good. Yeah, once again, what? 905. Same story again, huh? 905. Project settings. Where is this? Webhooks. Add webhook. Waste of time, guys. Reset password. Make sure that at least 15 characters or at least 8 characters. Bapre. What's happening, guys? Eh, I changed password again. That is not working. Browser unexpected anything. What's happening, guys? Yeah. Okay. GitHub.com. Sign in. Please wait and try after some time. Super. We thought of doing something and it is something else happening. Fine, I'll paste the procedure, guys. You try on your own, right? You try on your own because anyhow it's possible. It's looking. Yeah, tools are there. CI/CD tool we discussed. What are the different CI/CD tools that are there in the market? Jenkins is popular. What is Jenkins plugins to configure extra things? Explain different types of Jenkins plugins. Okay, Git plugins, Maven plugins. Okay, how Jenkins use it as part of build automation, everything they automate. What are the different configuration that are required as part of? These are 6 configuration we do are not there. What is the difference between Jenkins tool and what? Jenkins plugin. After installing plugin, tools becomes ready for configuration. Tools becomes ready for configuration. How enable, how to enable scheduling to build the Jenkins jobs, right? How to enable Jenkins automatic build code for commits done to the repository, whole SCM. How to see build history you can see. How to see build console, you have a console option. How to reset the initial password, we have discussed all this stuff. Okay. Yeah, now what is there? Different ways of triggering the build for the code changes happened to the for the code changes happened to the code repository. Code repository. Yes, boss. Here is there now. We removed a chat GPT. How to build a trigger. How to trigger build for the code changes happened in the code repository. Happened in the code repository. Yeah, this time trigger Jenkins build using Git webhook. Okay, that's one option. Trigger build using what? Polling. Not recommended but easy. Okay. Trigger Jenkins build. Okay, GitLab. GitLab, leave it. We'll go for GitHub only, na. We are giving what? With the Git. These two are the options we are having or not there, guys. Instead of Jenkins asking for change, okay. Instead of GitHub only will push the change. There's a difference. Yeah, tell me. Which category tool, all this stuff. Some more FAQs I kept, guys. Nothing else. Some more FAQs I kept. 1 minute. Some more FAQs I kept. Yeah, fine. Payload URL, that's good. Followed by that, what is there? Oh. Mhm. Wait a minute, guys. Cut this. Paste this. Right. Okay. Payload URL. That's good. Yeah. Done. Say paste. That's there. Next one. What's happening? What's happening, guys? Yeah. Fine. Okay. We come to one shape. Yeah. That's good. Yeah. We'll go to what? Google Drive.